this video, we will show you the spacious hatch and cargo area available in the new 2021 Subaru Crosstrek. This compact crossover provides spacious room for groceries, shopping, and all your storage needs. To access the cargo area, first unlock the rear liftgate and push the rear gate opener button. In the cargo area, you are provided with 2 hooks on each side for shopping bags. Also available is a cargo area cover, which protects its contents from direct sunlight. To extend, pull the end of the cover out of the housing. Then insert the hooks into the catches. To put it back, unhook it from the catches and it will retract automatically. To stow the cargo area cover under the cargo floor, retract the cover and push the housing to the right side to shorten it. Then take it off the retainer. Raise and fold the rear end of the cargo floorboard and stow the cover housing in the designated area. Available cargo tie-down hooks allow for even more options for drivers to secure items. The cargo area is equipped with 2 or 4 tie-down hooks so that cargo can be secured with a net or ropes. When using the tie-down hooks, pull them down from the storing recesses. Available exclusively on the outdoor trim is an LED overhead light located on the rear gate that illuminates the cargo area from above, allowing for better visibility when packing equipment. When the rear gate light switch is in the door position, the light will illuminate when the gate is open. The light will remain on for several seconds and gradually turns off after the gate is closed. If the switch is turned to the off position, the light will not illuminate. That's everything you need to know about the well-designed and equipped hatch and cargo area on the new 2021 Subaru Crosstrek.